Good day, ladies and gents. If you're looking to upscale your lower resolution images and turn them into something more beautiful looking, you can do this with a image upscaling, which is the AI technology that allows you to pretty much turn a, for example, more pixelated, less detailed image into something more detailed, more sharp, and overall just a better quality image. So one of the platforms that I use for this is called OpenArt AI. So among the other features that it also has the image upscale, as you can see. So you just go into this section on the website. In here, you just choose the image that you wish to upscale, right? You just click here, upload the image, and then, as you can see, we have the precise upscale, and you will use the 25 credits per generation. And then, as you can see, there are some examples here. It will upscale your image and turn it into something much better. Okay, so let me choose my image, for example. I have just downloaded this image. There you go, it's just a camel image. And then you just press on create, and now it's going to upscale. Let's wait. Alright, as you can see now, my image is upscaled. If I scroll up, where do I have my image? Oh, it disappeared. Alright, anyway. So as you can see, this is my original image, and this is the upscaled version. You can also move it. As you can see, it's much more detailed compared to the original. So pretty good job, I would say, done by the AI. So just use this, OpenArt AI, really cool service. Then just download it to your computer and you're done and good to go. Enjoy, guys, upscaling your images. If this helped, like and subscribe.